How to embed contact forms directly inside a slider. Embedding a contact form inside your slider turns your design into a lead generation powerhouse. With Slider Revolution, you can do this visually. No code needed. Start by creating a new slide or using a contact form template. Next, insert an HTML layer. Here, paste the form embed code from your favorite form tool, like Contact Form 7, WP Forms, or Typeform. Make sure your form is responsive, so it adapts to different screen sizes. Adjust the layer size and placement using the drag and drop editor. You can animate the form to appear on slide load, or make it reveal on click. This is especially useful for newsletter signups or inquiries. If your form service supports Ajax, submissions will be smoother. Remember, Slider Revolution's visual controls make form styling easy. Change fonts, button styles, and spacing to match your brand. Want templates and fast integrations? The link in the description gives you full access. By adding a form inside a slider, you reduce steps and improve user experience. Instead of navigating to a separate contact page, users can interact right on the homepage. Use strong copy and CTA next to your form. Phrases like "get a free quote" or "join now" drive better engagement. Test different form placements to see what works best. With Slider Revolution, the possibilities are endless, and it all starts with the link in the description.